not going to ride what do you call it? Punting?
Punting. Ang punting, P-U-I. P-U-N.
Ay, pabalik tayo.
Ay, pabalik. Malapit nga lang.
Ito yung classmate ko. Sumama nung elementary tsaka nung high school. Ito naman yung aking pinsan dito. Si okay?
Ito si Loite oh. Tsaka si Kinan oh. Kinan, yung Loite, ano si mukha yun? Kinan.
Ito?
Yan ako yan. Yan, para pakita yung mukha. Yan si Loite tsaka si Kinan oh. Papanting sa Cambridge.
Cambridge! Duck!
Oh, yan na. Loite, anong tayo?
Oh,
Pamaduro na tayo.
Tawakan mo naman kami.
Pamaduro.
Tawakan mo naman kami.
Picture ka na rito, picture
Oo,
ka
okay
dyan.
na.
Kala ko
Video to. Video to. Oh, ala. Ay, ano ang Panther oh.
Video din yan.
Oh, video din to. Oh.
Yes!
Oh, ay.
Hi,
Kinan.
Kahit
Malamig, laban yan. Oh, tinan mo. Panting on Christmas Day yan. Oh, diba? Sige tayo, tanim tayo sa mga ano. Oops! Ayos! Lupit. Oops! Panting on Christmas Day.
Ano dire?
Oh, ikaw ulit. Ikaw naman. Oops.
Dito.
Pero.
Tawa ako.
Oh.
Hello.
Mahalang ano ko. Mahalang.
Yay!
Kina, say hi. Hi. Kina, hi. Say hi, anak. Papogi.
Pogi.
Papogi. Oops. Pamacho. Oops. Food. Lupit. Oh, ayan na. Ang pantar, ba't masarado? Ang kaalang ang pantar mo hindi kasalta.
Dapat ginaguide nyo tayo.
Hindi normal sinasabi ko ngayon. Oops. Loite oh. Hindi na just Cambridge oh. Video na lang.
Cambridge. We're in Cambridge.
Gamit ni Loite kanyang iPhone 4 oh.
Nga eh.
Tingnan mo naman yung si Kuloko yun. Tingnan mo.
Oh, ito pa yung mga pato. Oh,
ba. Sila na kanya dito Loite oh.
Mga pato. Ha?
Ayan o te, ito yung likod. Oh, ito na yung likod ng Cambridge. Yung pinuntahan namin sa harapan kanina. Oh, ayan. Ayan, Loite, yan yung likod o te. Kita mo yung Loite, ito mo nasa building sa may ano.
Yeah, yun yung kanina. Yun natin.
Alright guys, good afternoon. Merry
Good
Christmas.
afternoon. Merry Christmas.
Where's the drinks?
Where's the drinks? We bring the drink on the boat. It's closed today, yes. Except me. Anyway guys, my name is Yaku, your guide.
I thought you were going to give
I'll
us
tell you a
one.
little bit about the history of the colleges here in Cambridge as we go by. Feel free to ask me any questions as we go along.
Yeah.
Yes.
Our tour time about 45 minutes.
I want to get the enrollment. I want to get the enrollment.
You want to get enrollment?
And the school is here.
Are you intelligent?
Oh, no, actually. I'm very
Yes, you can.
dull-minded.
Well, let's do the tour first and then see if you really want to come to Cambridge.
Okay.
Alright guys, our tour time 45 minutes. You can cruise at an average speed of 2.5 knots. We're traveling at an altitude of 3 feet above sea level today. Yes. No other traffic on the Bow River, so we're very safe, everything is fine. Sit back, relax, settle in.
No red light?
No,
Tayo
nothing like that.
lang nagpapanting oh. Kita mo?
First on our tour, we're going through the grounds here of King's College.
Ayan ang King's College.
King's is the third biggest college of Cambridge University. They have about 800 students here.
Oh,
What we're looking at, the buildings in the front, are all the accommodation, the dormitories of the students. The silver building in the middle is administration, and some rooms for some of the professors, the fellows. And then just to the left behind us is the most famous building here in Cambridge, King's College Chapel. But just to note, the chapel's importance to tourism to Cambridge. It is the third most photographed building in all of England. Anybody can guess what is the most photographed building? Now, Big Ben and the Parliament building is number 1. Buckingham Palace number 2. And King's Chapel here number 3. They're very famous because of their choir, the King's College Choir. Yesterday, Christmas Eve, every year they have a big choir service for Christmas time, the festival of 9 lessons and carols. People actually come, they sleep outside the chapel the night before to ensure they get seats the next day. Very fun. Before we go on, let me just hear where's everybody from today. If I can start with you guys in the front there. Hello guys, where are you from today?
London.
And before London, where were you born?
Philippines.
Where?
We're from Philippines.
From Philippines?
Yes.
Como estás?
Ah,
And how about you guys in the middle? Where are you guys from?
salamat.
What's that?
Salamat. Thank you.
All right, I like that. Sorry, where are you guys from?
To Thailand?
Saudi.
Ah, Thailand.
She Thailand?
I brought up in
Yes.
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal. France.
How do you say hello in Nepal?
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. No, like this.
Yes, yeah,
Oh, okay,
namaste.
good. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna drop the ball.
It's alright. I'm joking.
That's all good.
Namaste, is it Arabic? Arabic?
Arabic. No, it's actually Indian.
Indian, yeah. Ah,
Mostly
yeah,
Indian
yeah.
people
I've
used
heard
to
it.
say
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
Namaste.
Because I'm working in
But
Saudi
nowadays you
Arabia.
can find lots of places that people use. You know,
Yeah,
nowadays
yeah,
to
yeah.
say Namaste.
Because my office, I've heard it. That namaste, that word namaste, because I'm working there in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Oh, that's why.
I have lots of Indian colleagues.
Oh, that's nice.
Pare, ako, ano kaya ng
Ah,
Just
so
on the left here, third year accommodation of the students. These three windows at the bottom here, for instance, they're one student's room. The window on the right is his bedroom, the next two along is the study.
I like the
In
middle
your
top.
first year, you get a small little box. In your third year, nice and comfortable.
How much it is?
All the Cambridge University, it costs the same as any other university in England.
Ayos.
For UK citizens, it's about £9,000 a year. And accommodation. Last year, it was still only £3,500 a year.
Really?
Before Tony Blair was Prime Minister, this was all for free.
free.
Government funded.
Oh, it's much better in.
Oh,
Now it's 9,000 a year.
Yeah,
Just hold it.
right.
Is it including accommodation?
And tuition, yeah,
Ah, okay.
and accommodation.
do you allow party in the accommodation?
I'm sure they have but the students, to be honest, they have very little time to party. Their terms are very short.
Alin? Start na.
They're treated like work.
Panting, dun
They don't have class. They
naman
find most of
nag-start
them
eh.
in the libraries.
Bihira nag-start yan kasi dyan yung mga
Because to be at Cambridge, you
So, iikot tayo.
have to have a first in every.
Ikot tayo, ikot.
O, babalik tayo doon.
Dito rin ang daan.
There's
Oh,
certain
dito na
weeks that's set out in the year for parties.
Okay, that's good.
Sige, hawakan mo nga. Para mabidyohin mo kami ni...
Oops! Ang kinamboy, oh. Aba naman, akala mo naman nasa madurod lang kayo. Kinamboy, asan ka? Nasa Kalawagan ka ga? Ha? Nasa ilog yata ng Paluan eh. Nasa Cambridge ka anak oh. Nagpapanting oh.
Dito ka mo kung mag-aaral.
Dito ako mag-aaral ka
Kaya
mo.
daddy,
Ha? Mag-ipon-ipon ka na.
Ngayon, 9,000.
Pagdating no, baka 20,000. Ano anak? Pag-ipon na ni daddy no, para sa Cambridge ka mag-aaral. No, anak? No. Aba, Cambridge siya mag-aaral.
The grounds of Queen's College on both sides of the river is Queen's. That's interesting on the left here, the original building of Queen's. That's also accommodation. But on the left here, if you guys just want to look to the left on top, you see these small windows?
Yes.
And some of them are bricked up. The reason for that is in England in 1696, you paid tax for the amount of sunlight that came into the house. You paid a window tax. You used to have tax for the amount of white powder you put in your hair. You had a tax for how expensive and how high your hat was. Your hat had a tax disc on the inside, so if you walk in the street and you walk past a policeman, you tip your hat.
You. Oops.
If your tax disc was wrong, it could be
Whoops.
penalty punishment.
Late oh. Kinuha na ko yung
Today we pay taxes for gas.
kinuha na ko yung ano.
You can't get away from the taxes. And 1696
Uy, people,
to
na people oh.
1851, so about 150 years.
Oops.
And some people, they wanted to show how rich they were. So more
Ay, ang kinang boy, smile. Hi.
Flirty.
Yep.
Oops.
Alright guys, we're going to turn around here at
Oh,
Queen's College. We'll take you to the other side
yun
of
yung
Cambridge.
pinaka-start niyan. O,
The reason we turn, you see the
Yeah,
danger
y-
sign, the river goes up.
yun yung, dyan normally nag-i-start.
I need a lot
Dyan normally nag-i-start yung panting. Tapos pupunta doon. Lampas pa nga ako doon dati. Hanggang doon ako sa dulo eh. Oo, doon ako nagpanting. Oh.